Introducing the ultimate guide to outdoor power equipment care and repair. Are you tired of struggling with your lawnmower, chainsaw, or trimmer? Wish you could keep them running smoothly all year round? This video gets 1,000 views in 24 hours. I will have a giveaway. I will pick 5 people and they will get this book for free. All you have to do is, let me know in my comment section why you want this book, and then, by May 1, 2024 at 6 p.m., I will choose the 5 best answers. Then they will get a free book titled Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair Part 1. Gaetano, the expert small engine mechanic and author. With years of experience under his belt, he's here to help you become the master of your own equipment. Stop paying all that money to have your outdoor power equipment repaired. This book will teach you. Inside his best-selling book, Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair Small Engine Guide Part 1, you'll find everything you need to know about maintaining and fixing your outdoor power tools. From troubleshooting common issues to performing routine maintenance, Gaetano covers it all. Don't let equipment troubles slow you down. Get your copy of Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair, Small Engine Guide Part 1, Equipment today, and take control of your outdoor power equipment like never before. Empower yourself with knowledge. Get Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair Small Engine Guide Part 1 now. Here is the steps to purchase my book. First, go to Amazon.com. Next, in their search bar, type in my name like this, Gaetano T. Smith. Then, scroll down until you see this book titled Outdoor Power Equipment Care and Repair Small Engine Guide Part 1. Click onto it and look for the Buy Now button. My hope is that this book I designed to help a ton of people save money. So grab your copy today, and don't forget, if I get 1,000 views or this goes viral, then I will give 50 free books. So click the link in my bio to order your now.